Hi friends, I'm showing this Ulibermagnet magnetic hooks. This comes in the 2 pack with the 4 magnetic hooks in it. So let me just open and show. There are 2 hooks in each box. So I will just show you the quality and everything for this. So as you can see, these are really like big hooks and looks like really solid. These are made of steel. These are the 2 magnetic base for these. So you can attach these in the back and then use it anywhere. This can be used in like multiple places in your school, offices, kitchen stuff. And you can see the magnet is really strong, and I by chance like I made this two and not able to now separate it. So somehow like I separated it out, and now just trying to show you the magnet and its effect. So pretty much installation is pretty easy. You just rotate it as a screw and that put it on the metal. So you can put in any of these metal surfaces. This here you can also see, the strong fit, and these the magnets, like different magnets. So you can see that you can put it on a metal surface, and then it's pretty good holding, and you can put anything on top of it. So this is another metal surface, if like a metal plate or something, and you put on top of it, and you can see it's going for and really good strong with the, it can bear some heavy weights as well. So I'm just putting some towel to show, and it was holding, no issues and no breaking, like till I really push it hard. So it can be used in the kitchen, just putting in towel and see